Hello, my name is Professor Jason Powell. I'm the Dean of the UK Management College and I welcome you today to the SPICE events that we have here. We're very much an inclusive college and part of the rationale of the SPICE events that we have are very intercultural, and what that means is that we have diversity in terms of our cultures. We learn from each other, our traditions, our present, and in essence that helps us become more global in terms of how we view the world and how we view each other, and become more rounded as global citizens. And most importantly today is about creating meaningful connections with each other, and that's really important because not only will you develop self-confidence in terms of learning about inclusivity and engaging with each other, you'll learn a lot about yourself and you'll develop yourself accordingly. And I welcome you heartedly to today's events.
Hello, my name is Rosa. I am a student from UKMC College. We have our sports culture day today, and we design our table. We brought some food, and there are a lot of countries, for example Romania and some other Pakistan and Bangladesh and some others.
So the day today is in relation to inclusivity and culture. The UKMC, we have invited students to join us. We will be having quite some different stalls today from backgrounds of different countries, which are Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, the United Kingdom, Nigeria, South Africa. We're getting everyone together to explore each other's cultures and find out a little bit more background information.
We have organized some sports as well, we do have a football kick-out, we've got spoon run as well, and except this one we've got pool, we've got table tennis, and obviously we've got some outdoor activities where people can come and obviously they can sing, they can perform, they can show their cultural things as well. So I think this is really good for our students, and we're gonna organize different events like this in future as well.